This is my part number 7 in chapter 11 in the book SolidWorks, Parametric Modeling with SolidWorks, year 2018. I started off with a sketch, 45, a circle, 45 millimeters, and I extrude Boston 6 millimeters in dimension. I had this little knob thing, the radius from here, from this middle to there is 24. This from here to here is 4 millimeters. And then when I go into the sketch, I have a vertical right here. This is concentric with this, and this is concentric. This, and this are concentric. So, and then I have a horizontal right here. So, I circular patterned it around. So, as you can see, I'll go into circular pattern, 360 degrees, 12 little knobs, and then click the edge right there, the circular edge, and then I did cut, extrude, since radius 11 and then radius 19 from the center, and then I can go into, I put in a coincident, so this and this are coincident. I put in a vertical, I put in a concentric, so this and this are concentric, and this are concentric, and then I have a collinear, so this and this are collinear. And then I circular patterned it around. Edge 1 right here, 360 degrees, 6 little knobs. Then I fill it. I went into this and Daniel, how do I show the get it to put all the chamfers in, the fillets in?
Click on one of the other edges, and then just pay attention to this. When it pops up, hover over it.
So 142 edges?
I think that's the one.
Yeah, that's it.
That's not, you can always just
so 142 edges, and then I put in the circle in the middle. With a radius of 12. That's my part.